How's it going, everyone? Today we're unboxing the Sony A7V. This is the box that it comes with, and it's not as pretty of a box as you would think or expect for a camera of this caliber, but hey, that's just the box. Who really cares? Let's go ahead and pop it on open and see this for the first time. I am upgrading from the Sony A7 IV, which was a fantastic camera, but the A7V had some amazing stuff to it, so I decided to upgrade. We don't really care about the pamphlets and the warranty stuff, so we're gonna pass from that. And let's just get right to the camera here itself. I'll quickly show you all the other things included. Just the camera strap that says A75 on there. Probably won't be using that. And then we do have the battery itself. And I'll show you the battery just so you can see which model it is right here. And there it is. NPFZ100, which is the standard Sony battery, which is most Sony cameras. Okay, the camera battery probably doesn't come charged. That's all there is in there. This is the body only. Let's get to the good stuff here and see what this one's all about. We'll pop it on open for the first time, and there it is. Very, very similar feel and look to the A7 IV. From the top end right there, has the A75 logoing on there. It's got the little protector piece, your switch right here, your on and off switch right on the top right there. There it is. And we do have some custom buttons on the back right there. C3, menus, C1, AF on, AL, all your buttons down there. And of course, the big thing here, we'll show you the top right there so you can see actually the on and off switch is right there. Not there, that's your lock for your switch. And on the side, and then also these right here, I know now they don't hang and fling around. They are kind of rigid, which I really do like. So when you're filming video and stuff, you don't have those clicking around in your video. The big improvement here is your flippy, switchy around. I don't know what the official name of it is that they call it, but you can see it comes out like that, and you can angle it up and down, and it comes around and it flips around that way as well. So you can angle it down if you want to. You can have it flat right there and just use it like a standard flippy screen. But yeah, just really, really cool. This feels really nice. Love how that comes out right there like that. That's going to be super amazing for videos and for pictures, for taking low-end pictures and stuff like that, where you can kind of like angle it down like that as you're leaning down. So yeah, really cool. Really like that. Let's see what we have on the side right here. Your microphone right there. And in here, looks like your headphone jack. There it is. And then in here, we've got two USB-Cs. That's a big thing right here. So you can do power delivery, you can transfer, all that good stuff. So having two is amazing. It's going to make life a lot easier to power the camera and charge it. Full-size HDMI port on the side. Love that as well. That is super cool. And I don't think there's anything, I don't think that's anything down here. No, that's not. No, just the little thing where you can put a little nub on there. But yeah, from that side right here, we do have your two SD card slots, and one of them is the CF Express Type A at the top, so you can do one or the other, which is really cool. So I like that right there. Let's go ahead to the front end, and we will take the cap off, and we can see the sensor right there. It doesn't have the little thing that goes down. That's a setting you have to change within the body, but that's definitely cool. We'll keep that cap on there right away since this is just a body unboxing video right there. Let's go ahead and throw the battery in and see if it has any sort of charge. Usually they don't, but we'll test it out anyways and see, just so you guys can see it here. And this is a first turn on for me. Hopefully, let's see. Switch. I did hear it click. Okay, we do have power, so we'll go through the menu here and we'll see. Screen reader, we don't need the accessibility. Yes, we understand the privacy notice. Creators app, yes, I understand. Set on camera. The date and the time, so I'm going to do that right now. So I am on the LA time zone. I'm actually, or San Francisco, I'm actually in Vancouver, Canada. So we'll click that. Year, month, date. Yeah, sure, why not? It is now 2026, and it is January 4th, and it is 5:14 p.m. as we speak right now, so you guys know exactly when I've done my unboxing video for this. There we go, 5:14, and we'll set that later, and I understand. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you can see battery doesn't have much of a charge. That's pretty standard from Sony. So we'll go ahead and switch the camera off. We'll charge it all on up. But there we have the Sony A7V body. I will link the camera down below if you want to check out what the current pricing is. Until then, thank you very much for watching.